Make a great choice today with the 2018
BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control,
Navigation system,
anti-lock braking system,
power passenger seat,
keyless entry, all-wheel drive,
steering wheel audio controls,
stability control,
backup camera, Bluetooth.
This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.